Xbox.
What's up, this is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the DC jack from a Dell Precision 15 version 5510. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove screws from bottom base and underneath the badge door. Then remove bottom base. Next, unplug battery cable. Next, unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Then unplug antenna cables and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Next, unplug and loosen the LCD cable. Now unscrew left and right hinges, then remove touchscreen assembly. Next, unscrew DC jack. Then unplug and remove the DC jack. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.